Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today we're doing passion twists. Let's get started. The type of hair that I use is Freetress water wave hair in the colors 2 and 4. I used clips to keep my hair in place while I was working on other sections. I used a leave-in conditioner to make sure that my hair stayed soft and moisturized. I also used a moisturizing cream. I also used a rat tail comb to part my hair, a crochet needle, eco styling gel to help the twist set, and a curl mousse at the very end to set everything nicely. Rubber bands, big ones and small ones. And this is what the hair looks like when you take it out of the pack. I used 2 of these pieces per twist. Now, let's get to the good part. I sectioned off my hair in the sizes that I wanted my twist to be. I put rubber bands at the base to keep everything together because I cannot start a twist without a rubber band. I inserted my latch hook and then I took 2 pieces of hair and just from the ends, I opened them up so that they were kind of frayed. I mixed the colors 2 and 4 so I had kind of a black and brown look. You can use whatever color you'd like. Once you pull the hair apart on the ends, lay them back together like this, and you're going to put them on your latch hook. Pull it underneath the rubber band, and then pull one side out. Once you have the hair underneath the rubber band, make sure it is loose so that you can move it back and forth like this and nothing is stuck. Make sure it's the length that you want. Put a little bit of gel on your finger and then twist the crochet hair along with your hair all the way down. As you twist down, add a little more gel. This is me doing my hair in the bathroom where I actually do my hair. I wanted to show you from a different angle so you could also see in the front how I wrap the hair around the rubber band a little bit before I start to twist. That way it hides the rubber band. And then just twist down the same way. I only did this little wrapping method for the few of the twists that were in the front so the rubber band wouldn't show. I didn't worry about doing it in the back because I'm going to wear my hair down for most of this time. Right about here is where I hit a snag in my hair, so I just used the scissors to kind of cut a small piece of the hair so I could keep on twisting it down. Once you're done, add your favorite mousse to finish your style, and you are ready to go. And there you have it. This style took me 6 hours. I used 6 packs of hair and I am so in love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a good day.